Hello everyone, my name is Fanny. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. I love to do quick and easy DIYs, everything on a budget, using recycled items, thrifting items, and of course Dollar Tree items. So today I want to share with you 2 DIYs, but I would love to you consider and be part of this family just by hitting the red button around here. Get subscribed and also hit the bell, and you will get notified every time I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything. So I can't wait to share with you. Let's go ahead and get started. So here are the materials for the first DIY. One of those welcome signs, some black acrylic paint, some Sharpie or any other marker that you had in hand, some black ribbon, and also another ribbon that I got from Walmart. And some popsicle sticks. Here you can see the jumbo popsicle sticks, but at dollar store also carry the other ones that you can see they are a little bit smaller. So then I'm going to be doing just removing the little tails and also the hanger part, just like so. Next, I went ahead and used the same paper to send it a little bit of glitter because it was a tons of glitter, as you can see. So now I'm going to be using the black acrylic paint and the marker. So first I'm going to be tracing the bunnies just like so. So like that I will have more precision to paint just the center with the little brush. I also did the welcome part as well. So now I'm going to be filling the bunnies with the little brush with the black acrylic paint, as you can see. Just like so. Next I went ahead and grabbed some alcohol and I wiped to be able to clean the mess of the paint. So here I'm showing you a white acrylic paint, a little small brush, and also a roller, but I'm going to be using one of those paint pens that I got it from Amazon a while ago. So I will leave the link down below if you would like to purchase them. They're really easy to use and so convenient, and I really love to use them. This is not sponsored, this is nothing even close, but I just love them. So if you like it, you can buy them. So I'm doing it here, just little details on the little bunnies, dots, lines, zigzag. So next I'm going to be doing the same thing on the letters, the welcome part, as you can see. It looks beautiful already. And now with the black ribbon, I'm going to be trying to cover those little holes. If it doesn't bother you, you can just leave it like that, but I wasn't not too happy with, so I just add a little bit of hot glue and cover with the ribbon. And voila. So now I'm going to be using the popsicle sticks, and I'm going to be giving a coat of black paint, just like so. Now I'm going to be creating like a little roof kind of thing. Yeah, so I glue it on the back with the hot glue, and yes, just like so. A lot of hot glue to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. So next I went ahead and grabbed more a black ribbon, make a little loop, and added some hot glue, and there you have the hanger part. And we're almost done with this one. So to give you the last and finished touch with this one, I'm going to make just a simple bow with that beautiful ribbon and add it with some twine on the center, and then just glue it on top of the little roof. Just like so. So then I thought I'm already done with this DIY, and then I realized there's something missing with this one, and so I went ahead and what it was, the little tails. I was forgetting about the tails, so I just bring it back, some hot glue, and voila. And that is it for the first DIY. I think it came out absolutely beautiful, but I want to know, what do you guys think? So now I'm going to be working with the second DIY. I had to warn you guys, this DIY, the second DIY, I messed a little bit, but you have to keep that in mind, that when you're crafting, you mess a little bit, but never give up, and you will come out with something cute. So here I'm using this cute sign, adding some white paint. I give it 2 coats of this paint, just like so, and let it dry. And now with the roller, I'm basically going to trace the same shape of the frame of the board, just like so, with the marker, and just to give it a nice look, just like so. Next, with the black acrylic paint and a small brush, I'm going to be distressing a little bit, as you can see. So I'm going to be doing that with the entire frame, outside and inside, just like so. Next, I'm going to be using one leftover bunny from another DIYs that I did last year. I had this one from last year, but Dollar Tree, I still have those signs with this little cute bunny. So I give it the black paint, then add some hot glue and place it basically on the bottom of the sign. So here is the first look. I used a little ribbon and make a little bow and just glue it on top, and I think it looks cute already, just like that. But I decide to mess around with I give you a little details on the bunny. Just decide to went with the big ribbon, create a little cute bow and glue it, and I think came out really cute. Or what do you guys think? that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And also, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.